Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm reviewing a pair of wireless headphones that were designed with true professionals in mind, the Shure AONIC 50. Now, if you know the Shure name, you know it's not one that gets tossed around lightly in the audio world. They got a legacy rooted in studio-grade equipment and professional sound. In this review, we're going to look at everything you need to know: sound quality, design, comfort, features, and how the AONIC 50 stacks up against other flagship headphones on the market. Let's get started. Also, the link to these headphones will be included in the video description below. Let's start at the very beginning. The unboxing experience with the Shure AONIC 50 is clean and professional. Inside the box, you are greeted with a hard shell zippered carrying case that actually really well designed. Inside, you got the headphones themselves, a USB-C charging cable, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and an analog 3.5mm cable for wired listening. The presentation is minimal but classy, and right away you get the sense that these are serious headphones for serious listeners. No fluff, just premium. When it comes to design, the AONIC 50 has that sweet spot between modern elegance and functional durability. The headphones are built with a mix of aluminum, leather, and high-quality plastic. The result? They feel solid, premium, and incredibly well engineered. The ear cups are large and they don't collapse inward like some other models, but they do swivel flat to fit inside the carrying case. They got physical buttons on the ear cups, volume, playback, power, and ANC toggle, and they are satisfyingly clicky. No finicky touch controls here, just a tactile experience that feels reliable and deliberate. And let's talk about aesthetics. The AONIC 50 looks sleek without trying too hard. It's stylish in a very mature way, nothing flashy, just confident. Available in brown and black colorways, both versions look great. It's the kind of headphone you could wear on a commute, in a studio, or even on a business flight without raising eyebrows. Alright, now let's get into comfort. The AONIC 50 is surprisingly lightweight for its size and build. The headband is well padded, and the memory foam ear cups are wrapped in a soft leatherette material that feels plush against the skin. These headphones are designed for long listening sessions. The clamp force is moderate, secure enough to stay in place, but not tight enough to give you a headache. The over-ear design fully encloses your ears, helping with passive isolation and reducing fatigue over time. If you got a bigger head or wear glasses, you may need a little break every few hours, but overall, this is a very comfortable pair of headphones. By the way, prices on these headphones update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here's where things start getting exciting. Shure has always been about sound quality, and the AONIC 50 delivers on that promise in a big way. The sound signature is neutral and highly detailed. Bass is present and punchy but not overemphasized. It doesn't slam you into the face, but it's tight, accurate, and controlled. If you're into natural sound over artificially boosted lows, you're going to love it. The mids are where the AONIC 50 really shines. Vocals are rich, clean, and upfront. Instruments sound lifelike. Guitars, pianos, and strings all come through with beautiful texture and separation. You can tell Shure tuned these with a studio engineer's ear. Treble is crisp, smooth, and never sibilant. There is detail without harshness, and that makes these headphones perfect for long, immersive listening sessions. Whether you're into jazz, classical, rock, or acoustic, the AONIC 50 delivers clarity and balance that's tough to beat in wireless world. And yes, they support high-quality codecs like aptX HD, aptX Low Latency, AAC, and LDAC, so if you got a device that supports them, you'll get a near lossless listening experience. You can also go wired for full-resolution playback via USB or analog. Now let's talk about ANC. The AONIC 50 includes adjustable active noise cancellation with several levels of intensity, and while it's good, it's not quite as sharp as what you'll find on the Sony WH-1000 XM5 or the Bose 700. That said, it's still very usable. It handles low-frequency sounds like engine hum and background chatter pretty well, but some higher-frequency noise can sneak through. It's great for office use, travel, or study sessions, but maybe not your go-to for totally zoning out on a plane. The good news is that the ANC doesn't color the sound too much. Some headphones take a hit in audio fidelity when ANC is active, but not so here. You still get the same rich, detailed sound with ANC turned on. There's also an ambient mode that lets in external sounds, which is perfect for quick conversations or when you need to stay aware of your surroundings. You can toggle both modes using the physical switch on the ear cup or adjust them via the Shure Plus Play app. Speaking of the app, the Shure Plus Play app gives you solid control over your headphones. You can switch between ANC levels, adjust ambient mode, update firmware, and even tweak your EQ settings. The EQ is parametric, which means you have more precise control over the frequency bands, great for people who like to fine-tune their audio exactly the way they want. The app is simple, functional, and doesn't overwhelm you with features you don't need. It's just enough to get the job done without becoming a distraction. Battery life on the AONIC 50 is another strong point. You get up to 20 hours of playback with ANC turned on and around 25 hours if you switch it off. It's not record-breaking, but it's solid, more than enough to get you through multiple days of use or a long-haul flight. Charging is done via USB-C, and you can also use the USB connection for digital audio. That's a nice bonus for audiophiles who want the best sound without needing to go completely analog. To wrap things up, the Shure AONIC 50 is a standout in the wireless headphone market, especially for people who care about great sound, is beautifully made, sounds incredible, and offers just enough modern convenience to stay competitive. Sure, the ANC isn't class-leading, and the headphones are a bit bulky compared to some sleeker models. But if you want audiophile-grade sound wrapped in premium materials with the freedom of wireless, the AONIC 50 delivers. Let me know in the comments, guys, are you planning to pick up these headphones, or are you going to stick with what you already have? That's it for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on these headphones. See you in the next one.